Hello, it's Luigi Vamper's Minecraft server, and today I'm going to do a tutorial about how to put together the vanilla version of Minecraft and host it for you and your mates. Firstly, you'll need to go to Minecraft's website. It's not hard to find. There we go. Auto predict picks it up on MI now. How long it will be before it gets to M. Anyway, navigate to minecraft.net. Over here under the buy now button, which I assume you have all done, there's the download link. Since I'm running this on a Windows machine, I'll be taking the top one here, you can run it on Windows. You want the Minecraft server.exe file. Click that, download it. I won't be doing it now, I've done it already. There it is. Save it wherever you like, doesn't really matter, as long as you know where it is. It's always helpful. Now, just to keep it organised, I would recommend you put it in a folder of its own. Like so. And then double click and run the file. This will then go on and generate the map, the ops list, permissions file, all the other guffnick that goes with running a server. Once all this is done, I will go over some of the settings in the server properties file, how to change them, briefly what they do and such. Now don't close this. When you close this, this will turn off your Minecraft server. Minimise that, have that out of the way. And there you are basically, that's your server. Now if you log into Minecraft, multiplayer, I'll add this as a server. Server name, just call it whatever you like. I've named it same as I named the folder. Now the address to begin with, if you use localhost just to test it, you'll be able to test it on the machine that it's on. Done. And if all has gone well, there's not really much that could have gone wrong so far, you should have it there. Join the server. And I'm dying already. Nice, thanks for that. Nice start point. Well, there you go, Minecraft. Now briefly to go over some of the files. Stop the server first. You can't just close it, but I recommend you just type stop and do it properly. Now you can open the server properties file with Notepad or any other text editor. Personally I like Notepad++. I'll put links to all these in the description for this. Open that. Right, allow nether. Do you want to allow the nether world? The level name, the name of this one is world, which if you look in the folder, there it is. World. If you download a map and it's called bananas, in here you would have to write level name bananas. Allow flight, it's quite obvious. So server IP, I'll get into that one when I do a tutorial for hosting it actually online. The level seed, if you have a hunt around on Google, you can find numerous level seeds. Put this in here and this will generate a map based on the seed that you've put in. If you're running 1.2 Minecraft, then there is a new height. I think the last one was, I can't remember what the total height was, but it was 64 blocks above sea level, I think maybe. Spawn NPCs. Generally when you generate structures, if you spawn NPCs, they will be the villagers and such living in there. The whitelist. If you don't know what the whitelist is, it is a list of players that are allowed onto the server. So if I set whitelist to true, anybody whose name is not on this text file will not be able to get on. So it's just one game name per line. Bob, or whatever next. I'm not adding the whitelist, so I'm not going to save that. The ops list. If it's your server, certainly put your own name on there. This will basically give them access to all permissions by default. Do that. Add myself. The server properties. Yeah, that's probably there. What do we get? Oh yeah, the whitelist. Spawn animals. Do you want to spawn sheep, pigs, etc.? Online mode. I'm not discussing that one. PvP true. If you set that to false, then you won't be able to fight anybody else that's on there. Difficulty 0 is lame. Game mode, survival or creative. Creative is 1, survival as it is right now. Maximum number of players on the server. I mean, there's only going to be me, so 10's plenty. Spawn monsters, creepers, zombies, etc. Now the view distance, if you're running this on the same, if you're playing on the same machine that you are hosting from, it's going to get quite laggy unless you have quite a substantial machine. If you turn down the view distance, I believe it's the amount of chunks that get generated from where you are stood for what you can view into the distance. So if you're having lag troubles, turning that down some might help. And MOTD, message of the day. That's the welcome message that you see in the multiplayer panel. Hello. Save the file. Close that. Start the server up again. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. That's it done. Give that a second to load. And then done. There we are. The new message of the day that I put in, I'll change the maximum number of players to 10. And because I put myself on the optimist, I have permission to get off this stinking island. Thanks. Not that I really want to, I'm going to delete this in 5 minutes. There you are. Minecraft. Online. Now, should you want to get your mates to come and play on this, because it's hosted locally on the local machine, they will quite literally have to come around and plug in to your router. If you want to get them to play from their own IP addresses, you will need to go through port forwarding and firewall exceptions of the router. If you don't want to be dealing with those, I'd recommend Hamachi. I don't like it personally, but it certainly does the job, and it seems to be the accepted means of doing so. And yeah, that's it. Minecraft server on Windows 7. Thank you very much.